కుకట్పల్లి బాలాజీ నగర్లోని రావ్స్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో చిన్నారులతో సైన్స్ ఫేర్ కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా రావ్స్ గ్రూప్స్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్స్ ఫైనాన్స్ డైరెక్టర్ పొలసాని నిత్యారావు, ప్రిన్సిపల్ విద్య, వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ విజయలక్ష్మితో కలిసి రిబ్బన్ కట్ చేసి ప్రారంభించారు. ఉపాధ్యాయుల బృందం ఆధ్వర్యంలో విద్యార్థులు తమ ప్రతిభను ప్రదర్శిస్తూ విభిన్నమైన సైన్స్ ప్రాజెక్టులను ప్రదర్శించారు. చంద్రయాన్ హైడ్రాలిక్ బ్రిడ్జ్ ప్రత్యేక ఆకర్షణగా నిలిచాయి.
Science fair of at Rao's International School, Balaji Nagar branch. We are really very glad that we conduct this annually, because we always Rao's always fosters how the children will be bringing out their critical thinking, and then how they will be applying their knowledge into the practical way. So this is one way where we can show and project their ideas into these projects. And this is science is not just a subject where we study in the classroom or something. It is something, it is a backbone for the progress. And as you all know that children take their ideologies from different daily usages, and also that these ideologies have to come out just by the way they think differently. So we always encourage the children to ask questions: why, how, why not this, why not that. This critical thinking will be developed only when they think differently and when they do it practically. So this is the best platform for bringing out their talent, inner talent, and problem solving capabilities and all. So this is majorly with the help of the teachers. Our teachers are really helpful to encourage the children. Today in Rao's, we always encourage them to bring their new ideologies. And this is not an easy thing to for the children to at this age to bring out these thinking capabilities and all. So today we are able to observe that children are not only projecting their ideas, but they are embracing the ideologies of different innovators already who have innovated. And we always encourage children that science is not only something that they are restricted to classrooms or something. We encourage the children to think beyond the classrooms, think differently, and come out with better ideologies, so that they will be using it in a real life in a proper way, and improve this scientific inquiry. And this is something to build up the career of the children. So we are